Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete recently played on Spotify. And here's how it's done. On mobile, open Spotify, launch the Spotify mobile app on your phone. Go to your library, tap your library in the bottom right corner. Tap on recently played under the playlist or artist section. Like the desktop version, you cannot directly delete all recently played songs at once. However, you can remove specific tracks or albums from your recently played list. Tap the three dots next to a track or album and select Remove from Recently Played. Alternative, create a new playlist. If you want to hide your recent activity, you can create a new playlist with your favorite tracks and make it public. It won't remove the recently played items, but it can help you focus on songs or albums you'd like to highlight. And that's everything you need to know about how to delete recently played on Spotify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.